Hello, I'm trustee of Sri Danev Foundation. We had started this institute 5 years back. 5 years back, this was just a plain ground, and slowly and gradually we've started developing this. And I would like to show you how it looks like today in 2020-21. So first, I would like to show you our registration desk. This is our registration desk, where someone brings a bird or an animal, and here we do the tagging. There's a case paper over here which they make, and in which the details are there as to who has brought the bird or the animal, and if in case there is any history, and there each animal is tagged over here. After the tagging is done, we take the bird to the operation theatre. So now we'll go to the operation theatre. Right now there's a surgery of a kite going on. I would speak a little softly so that we don't disturb the kite. And I'd like to show you various instruments. This is a multi-parameter monitor. This is gas anesthesia. This is electric cautery, oxygen. These are other instruments for sterilizing. Here the doctor is treating, and after the doctor treats, he would write his analysis in this case paper, and along with the case paper we make a follow-up sheet. This follow-up sheet is hanged outside the cage of the bird, and there whoever gives the treatment, they just write a sign that they have done the treatment, so that no treatment is left out or no treatment is given double. From here we take the bird to the ICU. The follow-up sheet that the doctor had written is pinned up over here, and over here the LI, whoever gives the treatment, just signs it that they've given the treatment. This is a ward for infected birds. The birds who have some viral infection which can be spread are kept over here. They are kept in isolation so that their infection does not spread to the other birds. Now I'll show you a general ward of parrots. Birds that are in ICU, after their treatment is over, they go in the general ward. According to the category, this is general ward for only parrots. Like I've shown you the general ward for parrots, these are other general wards for different species, like for pigeon, crow, lovebirds, and other species. This is a ward where we keep water birds. Like we have a turtle right now. We do not keep water birds for a long time. We just treat them and then transfer them to the forest department. I'm also here to show you the facility of kennel. We have 20 kennels over here. We keep only stray dogs who need our care, special care. So here we keep cats and kittens. We can see these kittens whose mother have passed away, and they are here. They need special care, and we can give them for adoption also if someone wishes to adopt them. Along with the small animals like dogs and cats that we have seen, we also have this place for large animals like cow that we have over here. We also keep a horse over here, and we'll just show you how we treat the large animals. The food that we serve to the birds and animals is made over here. This is khichdi that we give to the dogs. We mix it with either milk or buttermilk and give. This is to feed the kittens. This we give to the tortoise. These are for parrots and other birds. This is for pigeons. This is for small parrots, baby parrots that we call. That is the food for them. And we have other food for different other species. We have regular follow-ups being done of the dogs. Here we have a dog, a small pug whose IV is being fluid is being given to the dog. Here we have a dog whose dressing is being done. Follow-up of birds is being done over here. As I had told earlier, that after the follow-up is being done, the doctor just signs in to show that the follow-up is being done today. Feeding of birds is being done over here. This bird is for formula feeding, and which is being fed 4 times a day. And this is a bird that is for hand feeding, which is done twice a day. After the feeding is done, they just sign in over here to show that the feeding is done. Diagnostic instruments are kept over here. We have a X-ray machine, sonography machine. Along with that, we also have physiotherapy instruments like TENS, ultrasound, laser. We also have a brooder over here, and we store the medicines also over here. Our job is only to give them the best hospitalization, best treatment, best food, and after they are being cured, we vaccinate them and send them back to the nature where they belong to. And if anyone has any query or wants to volunteer or wishes to adopt them, please let us know on our Instagram or Facebook. Thank you.